Niagara Falls is a world-renowned natural wonder located on the Niagara River on the border of Ontario, Canada and New York, USA. The falls are a breathtaking display of nature's power, attracting millions of visitors each year from all over the world. The falls and the surrounding area offer a variety of activities and attractions for visitors to enjoy, from boat tours that take visitors to the base of the falls to panoramic views from the Skylon Tower. In addition to its natural beauty, Niagara Falls is also home to a lively street filled with attractions, shops, and restaurants called Clifton Hill, and the iconic Niagara Falls Illumination, an evening light show that illuminates the falls with different colors. Whether you are a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, Niagara Falls is a destination that is sure to leave you in awe and create unforgettable memories. The Niagara Falls have a rich history that spans thousands of years. The area surrounding the falls has been inhabited by various indigenous peoples for centuries, and the falls themselves were a source of spiritual and cultural significance for these communities. European explorers and settlers arrived in the area in the late 17th century, and by the mid-19th century, the Niagara Falls had become a popular tourist destination. The falls were also an important source of energy for the growing Industrial Revolution, with numerous hydroelectric power plants being built in the area. In 1885, the Niagara Falls were declared a state park, and over the next several decades, various conservation efforts were undertaken to protect the falls and the surrounding environment. Despite these efforts, the Niagara Falls have faced numerous challenges over the years, including pollution and overdevelopment, which have threatened their beauty and ecological integrity. Today, the Niagara Falls remain one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world, attracting millions of visitors each year. The falls continue to be a symbol of the natural beauty and power of nature, and efforts are underway to preserve and protect them for future generations. The Maid of the Mist is a boat tour that has been operating at Niagara Falls since 1846. The tour takes visitors on a journey to the base of the Horseshoe Falls, offering an up-close and personal view of the falls and the powerful currents of the Niagara River. The original Maid of the Mist was a wooden steamship that was launched in 1846, and over the years, the tour has evolved to become one of the most popular and iconic attractions at Niagara Falls. The Maid of the Mist has undergone several renovations and upgrades over the years, including the addition of new boats with modern safety features and amenities. Throughout its history, the Maid of the Mist has been a staple of the Niagara Falls tourist experience, offering visitors a unique and unforgettable opportunity to experience the beauty and power of the falls up close. Despite numerous challenges and changes over the years, the Maid of the Mist continues to be a popular and cherished attraction at Niagara Falls, and it remains a testament to the enduring appeal and beauty of this natural wonder. The Skylon Tower is a 775-foot observation tower located in Niagara Falls, Ontario. It was built in 1964 and has since become one of the most iconic landmarks in the city. The tower offers panoramic views of the Niagara Falls, the surrounding city, and the Niagara River, providing visitors with an unforgettable experience. The Skylon Tower was built to meet the growing demand for high-altitude views of Niagara Falls. It was designed to be a state-of-the-art observation tower, offering visitors the best views of the falls and the surrounding area. The tower was built with a unique design that allows it to rotate, providing 360-degree views of the surrounding area. Since its opening, the Skylon Tower has become a popular tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors each year. Over the years, the tower has undergone several renovations and upgrades to keep up with changing technology and to offer visitors the best possible experience. Today, the Skylon Tower continues to be one of the most popular tourist attractions in Niagara Falls, and it remains a symbol of the city's rich history and natural beauty. Journey Behind the Falls is a tour that takes visitors behind the Horseshoe Falls, one of the most iconic attractions at Niagara Falls. This unique tour offers visitors a rare and intimate perspective of the falls, allowing them to see the power and beauty of the Niagara River from a different angle. The tour was first opened in the late 19th century, and since then it has been a popular and highly sought-after experience for visitors to Niagara Falls. The Journey Behind the Falls tour takes visitors through a series of tunnels and platforms that are carved into the rock behind the falls, providing a breathtaking view of the Niagara River and the falls themselves. Over the years, the Journey Behind the Falls tour has undergone several renovations and upgrades, including the addition of new viewing platforms and the installation of modern safety features. Despite these changes, the tour remains true to its roots, offering visitors an unforgettable experience that is both educational and awe-inspiring. Today, the Journey Behind the Falls is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Niagara Falls, and it continues to be a beloved and cherished part of the Niagara Falls experience. The tour remains a testament to the enduring beauty and power of the falls, and it continues to provide visitors with a unique and unforgettable perspective of this natural wonder. Clifton Hill is a street located in Niagara Falls, Ontario that is famous for its array of attractions, shops, and restaurants. It has been a popular tourist destination for many years, offering visitors a fun and exciting atmosphere in the heart of the city. Clifton Hill was originally developed in the late 19th century as a residential area, but over time it evolved into a thriving commercial district. Throughout the 20th century, the street grew and changed, with new attractions and shops being added to meet the demands of the growing tourist industry. Today, Clifton Hill is a bustling street that is filled with a wide variety of attractions, including amusement parks, arcades, theaters, and museums. The street is also home to many restaurants, shops, and other businesses, providing visitors with a wide range of dining and shopping options. Clifton Hill has become one of the most popular tourist destinations in Niagara Falls, offering visitors a fun and exciting atmosphere that is both lively and family-friendly. The street continues to be a symbol of the city's rich history and cultural heritage, and it remains an important part of the Niagara Falls experience for millions of visitors each year. The Niagara Falls Illumination is an evening light show that has been illuminating the falls with different colors for over a century. The light show was first introduced in the early 20th century, and since then it has become a beloved and iconic part of the Niagara Falls experience. The Niagara Falls Illumination is a display of lights that shine on the falls and the surrounding area, adding to the already breathtaking beauty of the falls. The lights are changed to different colors, creating a mesmerizing and dynamic display that is both beautiful and awe-inspiring. Over the years, the Niagara Falls Illumination has undergone several renovations and upgrades, with the latest technologies being used to create a more vivid and dynamic display. The light show is now synchronized with music, creating a truly magical and unforgettable experience for visitors. Today, the Niagara Falls Illumination is one of the most popular and highly anticipated attractions at Niagara Falls, attracting millions of visitors each year. The light show continues to be a symbol of the city's rich history and cultural heritage, and it remains an important part of the Niagara Falls experience for visitors of all ages. In conclusion, Niagara Falls is a natural wonder that continues to captivate visitors from all over the world with its breathtaking beauty and power. Whether you are interested in experiencing the falls up close on a boat tour, taking in panoramic views from the Skylon Tower, exploring the lively atmosphere of Clifton Hill, or enjoying the evening light show at the Niagara Falls Illumination, there is something for everyone at this iconic destination. With its rich history and cultural heritage, Niagara Falls remains a beloved and cherished part of the world's natural beauty and a must-visit destination for travelers from all walks of life. The falls will continue to inspire and awe visitors for generations to come, making it a destination that is sure to leave a lasting impression.